Hey y'all, Halfmilesniper here, and we are back on the range today. Today we're going to be testing something a little bit different, something most people probably haven't seen, and we'll see what happens. And we'll probably try to catch a bullet. So, y'all sit back, kick your feet up, enjoy the ride. Alrighty y'all, so I have some of the new-ish DHS ammo for the Glock 47s. I'll show you what we got here. I won't say how I came to be in possession of it, but it's I believe it's 147 grain, yes, 147 grain spear bullet designed to not get interrupted in its expansion from clothing and whatnot. Very much like the Ranger 1 that I tested a while back. I'll put a link to that either in the description or in a card up above a little bit later on. But this is the spear version of that, and we are going to put some over the chronograph, which is right there-ish. And we're going to shoot some on steel, and then we're going to try to catch it here in the jugs. So, give me a little bit more chance to get things set up. I'll bring you right back. So this morning, my gun of choice is going to be my Springfield 1911 stock auto. We've got 6 rounds in the magazine. We're going to put them over the chronograph and see what this stuff's running from a 5-inch gun. Okay, well, we've got the chronograph on. Y'all are turned on. I think y'all can see me. I'm trying something a little different this morning. Here we go. 6 rounds over the chronograph. A 1,012, 999, 995, 1016, 992, 1008. And it didn't lock back on the last round. Why? High was 1016, low was 992, average is 1003. Our extreme spread is 24, and our standard deviation is 8. Nice. Alrighty, so this new duty ammo running out of my 1911 is doing just a hair over 1,000 feet per second. We'll see how it shoots on steel. Shoot for a little group. Got the target camera on, and let's see what happens here. Seems to be shooting okay. Let me shoot a couple more. And if I didn't say it, I'm shooting from the 15-yard line. And that little blunt nose gave us a little bit of a failure to feed. This stuff seems to group pretty good. Let's see if we can catch one. Alrighty. Wow. We got that grouping really well. From 15-yard line, we know it's doing about 1,000 feet per second. I wonder if we have enough jugs to catch it. Put your guess below if we're going to catch this bullet or not. Well, I think I'm in this camera. I hope I'm in the camera. We've got, I think, 8 jugs down there. Blue and yellow. Let's see if we can make green. Here we go. I don't know. Well, hopefully that is going to make a neat slow-mo, because I can see that we caught the bullet. Very interesting. There's our first jug on the ground, emptied out. Entry hole, blew out the backside. We made an entry here, blew right out the backside. Jug number 3, and we're tracking straight. Entry hole right smack in the middle, blew out the backside. However, look at that catch. How is that for a catch? It is caught in the leading edge of the bottle. Pretty stinking cool. See if I can get it out of there without cutting myself. Not sure I can. I'm gonna have to go to my knife. Let me get it out and we'll take a look at it. Alrighty, there we go. That is what we look like. Oh yeah, I got food coloring all over my fingers. The things I do for y'all. Try to get that in the sun. Pretty cool. Alrighty. Well, we caught that bullet, and as you saw, it made it completely through 3 jugs. Stopped at the leading edge of the 4th jug. Nice. Interesting how it only partly opened up, though. Wonder about that. Well, looks like that newfangled Border Patrol ammo's got some decent expansion. I'm curious how it only expanded 3 out of 5 petals though. So might have to do some more testing, maybe try a different gun. Alrighty. Alrighty, y'all. Well, that was really cool. It's always neat to catch a bullet. Neat to see that expansion. We made it through 3 jugs, caught it in the leading edge of the 4th. That's pretty cool. That bullet's gonna go in the pile of other bullets that I've caught. Don't know what I'm gonna do with them, but I've been keeping them. I'm weird that way. Hope y'all enjoyed this. I had a lot of fun shooting it today. It was nice to ring the steel. You probably hear a pistol match going on a few bays over. Today's day 2 of the first match of the year. I'm taking time to make a video for y'all while getting ready to shoot a little something a little bit later on this afternoon. So I appreciate y'all hanging with me. And as always, this is Half Mile Sniper reminding you to carry everywhere you can. Get a CCW if you need one. If you're in a constitutional carry state, there's no reason not to be carrying, and you probably ought to get your CCW anyways, just in case you travel. Because, remember, as the saying goes, stay strapped or get clapped. And I want all of y'all to be still around watching my videos, because I really appreciate that. Thanks for hanging with me, y'all. On this fine morning, this be Half Mile Sniper checking out, reminding y'all to stay safe, keep shooting. We'll catch you next time. Send it. Hit.